Morning, everybody. Beautiful Friday morning. I hope everybody has a good Friday. Just getting ready to go out, let the truck warm up a little bit, go find some scrap metal. At least the temperatures come up a little bit this morning. It's only 50, so that ain't too bad. Still cold. Anything below 60 is cold. I'd like to apologize for not getting videos out as much as possible, or as much as I used to. Actually, yesterday I went out scrapping in the morning, but I used a different camera, and I had problems with trying to, format video and all that stuff. I'm not the most knowledgeable person about all that stuff. So I got a bunch of footage that I can't use. Maybe I'll figure it out and get it up. Well, we're gonna head out this morning, see if we can't load the truck up with some scrap. And actually, after I'm done scrapping, I gotta go to an assisted living center and pick up some scrap. Got a call from them, they got a few things. So we'll go right over there and see what they got. So let's get started. Let's go find some junk and fill this old truck. We got my first piece of scrap this morning. Looks like we're gonna start off with a dilapidated barbecue grill. Try to get the camera angle a little better. Oh, fighting with camera straps. Well, it's in there. It's not pretty, but it's in there. Let me see if I can't straighten that out a little more. I don't know. Wants to lean that way. Let's put it on that side. All right, down the road, a little something, and it's actually scrap metal. I knew this was gonna happen. It's in there. I'll be rearranging that, I'm sure. A little more for the pile. The cord, and away we go. I got a little something. That stuff. I love people that throw this kind of stuff in the recycling bins. An old air pump. nothing more. Are these all? Yeah, all steel poles. Let's go over here maybe. Looking for more. A little something. Looks like they replaced it with another Hoover. Oh, adding to the cord pile and moving down the road. A little something else. Little bicycle frame and forks. Up and over the top. Oh, a gentleman walked the sink out to me when I was going through a neighborhood. Get that piled up there. Yeah, I think the run on large appliances for the past week or so is over. We'll see. Oh, a little bit of something. Little fan. Yep. I think that one's just gonna go straight for scrap. Straight for tin shred. Alright. Oh, a little more. Well, just about done with all my scrap route. Light fixture. And I see something over here. That come apart easy enough, huh? Yep, no great big mammoth load today. But a little bit of something's better than a whole lot of nothing. Had days where I found a lot less. Now, let me run down this last street and then we're gonna head for the scrapyard. All right, let's dump some junk out. I see that everybody else has had pretty good luck with appliances. I want to trim that wire, but oh well. Hang on to the fan. that one. All right, let's go get a weigh ticket. See how much all that weighed. Probably not a whole lot. But it covered gas money, I'm sure of that. All right. Well, I am here at the retirement center. It's actually an assisted living center because I was told they had some scrap, and it looks like I got me a little mini fridge, which that's cool. Hoping for more, but let me get my clippers. Take that off. Take the metal rack. And that is it. Yep. It told me to leave the table. Let me get rid of that. And that does that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this directly to the scrapyard and be done with it today. All right, let me get rid of this refrigerator. Well, don't forget that. Let's find out what that refrigerator weighed, huh? I'm gonna guess maybe 50 pounds. I don't know. All right, folks, that's it. All done. Everything taken in, picked up, over with. So what did we make? Let's see. This morning it was 200 pounds of scrap metal. Woohoo! $13. And that refrigerator, believe it or not, that refrigerator weighed 80 pounds. I was surprised. I was thinking closer to 50. So that was, what, $5.20? So a grand total of $18.25 for the day. So we covered gas. Even got enough for a value cheeseburger at McDonald's. Focus. There we go. So that's going to do it for me. I won't be back at it until Sunday evening. I hope everybody has a good weekend. Hope everybody has a good Friday. So until next time.